Okay, James, here we are. This is the first soak test of your new board. You'll have to forgive the rather tatty state, rubbishy state of my workbench. It's in a bit of a state at the moment, but anyway, there's the board. Just to show you around how I've laid things out for you. Off to the left here, we've got the speaker. This untidy bunch of wiring here leads us up to this rather tangled mess, which is the basic heart of things. Let me just give you a little geographic tour. Over here we have the front torpedo. Back here, the rear or aft torpedo. Just below it, those 5 LEDs there, those are your landing bay lights. And just down here along this purple wire, it's one of the disruptor beams, or disruptor weapons, whatever you want to call it. The other one's taped down over there, and the other 2 LEDs, you can see those 2 red ones, that one there, that one there, that's your navigation lights. So let's take our lives in our hands and switch this thing on. As I say, it's just a temporary power supply. 12 volts, and what do we have happening here? Well, there's a couple of lights on the board, that's good. And yes, we have both top and bottom navigation lights flashing. And if we pan back here, we've got the landing bay lights. Those landing bay lights, by the way, on the board has that variable resistor there in the center of screen now. Adjust that, I'll adjust the speed of the flashing there. Okay, now I don't have any switches wired up to this, but I do have a piece of wire which will pretend to be a switch. So let's go for disruptor beam. So excuse me a moment when I poke wires in holes. Right. Missed that. Let's try and catch that again. Try not to make you seasick. Sorry about this. If with a switch in place, it would be a lot easier, but I didn't want to solder switches to your board. I think I missed one. Oh, missed it out of the screen. Sorry about that. Here we go again. Okay, the next one. Front torpedo firing. And a few, i.e. around about 20 seconds later, rear torpedo firing. Okay, that's about it for the effects. Let's just try all the final button that I've put in for you, which doesn't do anything to the lights, but gives you some music you may have heard before. And by the way, these 2 cables over here, that'll be your power supply to the rest of the polar lights kit. Right, okay, seems to be all working. I'll attach some switches, get it all tidied up, and get it off in the mail to you. Cheers for now.